Hi, welcome to the PERGOLUX showroom. I'm Melissa, and today I'm going to be walking you through our new pergola models. All of our pergolas have louvered roofs and are 100% powder-coated aluminum. This means they're very low maintenance and are rust-free. Let's go. This is our premium model, the PERGOLUX Skydance. The Skydance has motorized louvers that are double-walled and watertight. There's an integrated drainage system where the gutters are along the beams. The louvers have an integrated slope from the back beam towards the front. The water then drains down the columns and comes out at the water drainage hole. Every single column has the water drainage channel. When the louvers are closed, the Skydance can withstand winds of up to 165 miles per hour and weights of up to 50 pounds per square foot. As our premium model, the Skydance comes with bigger columns, wider louvers, and taller beams. It's a freestanding version, and it's compatible with all of our accessories such as the screens, the glass walls, our wood slat walls, and the infrared heater. All of the electric components are connected to the control box, which is located at the top of the beam in the back right-hand corner. It has a single standard 110-volt power cord and plug that comes out at the bottom of the column and will plug into a standard outlet. There's also an option to hardwire it. The Skydance is available in anthracite, white, and anthracite with white louvers. It comes in a variety of sizes, including 10 by 10, 10 by 13, 13 by 13, and 13 by 19. This is a 10 by 10, which you can see is a great space for both relaxing and entertaining. We hope you've enjoyed your PERGOLUX tour. Thanks for stopping by.